explain, when you work in the hospital, and especially if you work in different hospitals and you have clinic during the day and you're working at the hospital at night, you could see like 1,000 patients in 1 week. So, and plus when you text or whatever, you're not supposed to say the patient's name. So a lot of times in medicine, when we're talking to our colleagues or our friends that we work with, we're not going to say patient in room 203 because, they move around a lot. We're going to say the specific identifying information about that patient that sticks out. And it makes sense to me that if a mom came in and said, like, I want all this ketamine from my doctor, the way that anybody treating her would remember her is as ketamine girl, which is not, I'm not justifying that that's a nice thing to call somebody, but like I had a patient who came in and blew his hand off because he was playing with fireworks. Like, we call him like fireworks guy. Like, that's not nice, but like it is like one of the only ways we're gonna know. Because if I said, first of all, I can't say the patient's name, so I can't be like Bob Smith, and then if I said, the guy in room whatever, like when we talk about patients to our colleagues, we say like fireworks guy, ketamine girl, and it's not nice, and it definitely looks horrible when it's being read in a jury that they called her ketamine girl. Like, that's offensive. But I can see that in the hospital, like, that would be a way to convey who you're speaking about, because again, you can't use names and people move room to room, and MRN numbers are like 50 digits long, and instead of saying ketamine girl, you'd be like patient 073582437 blah. Like, so it is offensive, and maybe there's something that could be done about it, but referring to patients by like the thing that sticks out, like fireworks guy, I'm sure he wouldn't like to be referred to as fireworks guy, but you might have 50 patients that have hand injuries in a week, and so identifying him as fireworks guy would be the way to like convey who specifically you're talking about.